Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I can't get the whole setup right. Like my phone is just not cooperating. Like girl, you know what we came to do, and we came to record a video. I am going to be installing this lace wig. Here she goes, such a cutie. I colored her this wig. I had this wig for like a minute. This is actually the wig that is in my pictures on my YouTube channel, on my cover art page. So as I'm getting ready, I'm noticing like, girl, I am not about to record with this bare face and let me do my makeup. Stop playing. So as I am doing my makeup, which is the same little steps I normally do, my brows, but this time I'm trying the LA Pro Girl Fawn Concealer for my brows. And so far I really did enjoy me doing my makeup. A quick tip for your lashes: if you reuse your lashes, get an eyelash curler. An eyelash curler will curl that lash back to life, make the lash look popping back brand new. So an eyelash curler do the trick if you reuse your lashes. And I'm using my hair glue. I know my sister gonna be like, where's that lash glue I gave you? Girl, I need these on for real. But I do like the lash glue. I am loving my makeup and how everything turned out. Like, nothing too much, but make me look like something while I do this. So now I'm grabbing this cap, this brown cap, that I am going to be using. And it's so funny. I'm like, is this gonna stay like this? It's giving me, what's that little religion when they be having that little thing on the top of their head? But I just combing my edges back. I didn't put no edge control. Normally I will comb back or brush back my edges with some edge control, but I'm gonna try this one. It's not new to me, but Ebin spray, but this is my first time using it. This little brand, Wonder Lace Bond. I normally would get that glue, but this is my first time trying a spray, and so I'm like, I'm gonna just see how it goes. But for the most part, I do like the Ebin lace glue. But putting this cap on my head, it was just like, it's tight around my eyeballs. I feel like my eyeballs was gonna bulge out. So I'm just gonna spray it down, just give it more foundation. So now I'm ready to blow dry. Sometimes I use a cap, most of the times I don't, but it's really important to have a cap just so you know when you wear those wigs, it won't like friction with your hair when you're like styling and wearing it and moving around. This is the Ebin. This is my first time using, well, it's not my first time using this bottle. I bought this bottle recently, and I've been using a couple of uses, but I'm gonna record it. So it's like the same brand, and this is my first time using that red version. I got the yellow glue bottle of that spray, but for the most part with this glue, it's not so bad. It really do seal the lace and everything like that. I just feel like it's messy. It gives me Almer's glue, whatever that school glue that just get real tacky and messy. That's what it does, honestly. But it really do its job. Don't get me wrong. I just feel like I haven't gotten out in the glue world and tried like all the lace glue. Mainly I've just used like Ghost Bond and stuff like that. But now I want to poke my holes through my ear. I don't know why am I using a tweezer, like I don't have no scissors. But just watch the video. It's going to take me a minute to find the scissors in the bathroom. It's just, this bathroom looked at a hot mess after I got done and cleaned up. I just got my little razor, and I'm just going to poke some holes through, just to loop it around to get that little tightness foundation, because I am going to cut around this cap around my head. Y'all know how to do the whole wig foundation. I'm just showing y'all how I'm doing mine in the bathroom today of this wig. This wig, actually, I'm gonna just post some pictures. This is the best wig ever. So I finally found my scissors. They was right in arm's reach. Like I said, the bathroom sink was just messy. I had makeup, blow dryer, flat ironer, all my hair products. Most of my hair products, I really didn't have all of my things in the bathroom with me. I know I was just in the bathroom for like 3 hours a day. I was just giving my whole life, just getting my whole life together. I took like an hour shower, really did a deep cleanse, really washed my hair, took my time and paid attention to each ligament in my body. And then when I got out, re-braiding like most of my braids underneath. And then I was just like, let me just go ahead and, taking my time, So I purchased some makeup wipes today, so these come in handy because with that glue, everything just get real like tacky, sticky, and just real messy. When I'm working, I like to stay clean and try to have certain areas like neat and stuff like that. But this wig is dangerous, like the color be everywhere, like girl. So now I am cutting my cap, and I leave like the hooking around my ears just in case, so like like the cap won't like go back. It still got some little foundation in it before I cut all around the cap. So I am not playing. Like, look how I toss this wig on my head, like girl. Yeah, because I know I'm about to snap on this wig. I just know. So, yes, girl. I am like so serious. Trying to get that middle part like bow. Perfect. Most of the lace on the front too was still like gluey, old glue on it. And I just had to blow dry the lace to get it like more sane. I had to really work with this because I've been neglecting like the whole little cleaning off the glue off the lace, but I'm gonna give it all back to life. This middle part, I just felt like it was just so crooked, and I was trying to like get it right. And my comb, I need like a precision comb because that part, it's just, it's gonna give what it's supposed to give, but I just knew it wasn't like perfect. So I'm just mainly trying to get this part together. I'm gonna be parting, trying to get that part in the middle. So now I am going to cut the cap that was around my ears and all the way around that band that's just dangling in the back of my head. I'm not gonna sew nothing down in the back. I really just don't want nothing really on here because I wanna be thirsty and take this all down tomorrow anyway, because my wig is coming. 32 inches of black hair. I miss my black hair. So I just thought about something. I'm like, let me be innovative. I know I don't have my phone stand. I don't know what happened to it. Whoever I let borrow it, or whoever, I don't know what happened. Just magically, I don't remember. But I just got creative and really like gave my phone a better angle for you all. And of course, I'm still working on the middle part because, girl, but everything is coming along. Like, I just felt like it was just a knot, like, in the middle. But I'm going to get it as close as possible. So as I get towards almost finished done laying it down, I'm using the adhesive lace glue bond, and I'm just getting like all my baby hairs out at this point. I really don't tie my hair down. I don't know where my elastic band went, where I got one gifted to. So I don't know where my band went, and I don't want to use no scarf really because I just feel like this color is like bleeding on everything. And my scarves, no, I'm not about to. I messed up one scarf, and it wasn't my scarf, so it's like, girl, I ain't even trying to mess up my ass. But I'm trying to get these baby hairs in the right way so they can look even and everything. They can look like twins or whatever. Symmetrical. So we're getting somewhere. We're going places. Yes, it's coming all along. At this point, I'm still feeling myself like, girl, get your middle part together. Make it straight. It's straight. It's straight. Okay, good. Nope, it's not. I think you made it crookeder. Let's see. Okay. Almost. So now I'm going in with some Fantasia spritz. And that's what's gonna do the justice for my baby hairs. I seen a girl on TikTok, she was like flat iron the baby hair first and then lay it down. I wish I remembered that trick while I was applying my little spritz to my edge control. But I'm liking my little swoops. Yeah. Swoop it up. And I'm not cutting the hairs of my baby hairs. I don't feel like doing all of that. I'm just gonna swoop these long pieces and just figure it out. Now my sideburns, I really went in and did a thick swoop. Like, my main focus is like not trying to show all the lace, but giving like these big swoops. And look at it, it's pretty. Hard part's over. I wish I would have put a scarf on and laid it down, but you know, when you be thirsty, when you get your hair done, you be like, I ain't trying to do the ugly parts. I'm not trying to tie it down. But I'm going to come in with some LA Pro concealer. I'm going to use Fawn first just to get the first little foundation down. And then I'm going to go in with Espresso, my go-to. Look at me getting invaded. He's finna take my towel away. Yes, babe, go do the laundry. Bye. So I am liking how everything is coming about. Yes, I love it. I'm just blending in a little color, that fawn. Now I'm adding the Espresso concealer. So now I'm just gonna flat iron my hair, and I got like a good trick. When I flat iron, I just take my hairbrush and I just brush and flat iron, kind of like a silk press, yeah, but just in chunks because I was tired. I was ready to get out the bathroom, and you know, once you start looking cute, you be like, okay, let's go, we're done. But I wanted to, you know, get this a bone straight look. So at this point, I'm just loving how everything turns out. Everything looks good. I look good. This red looks good. Anybody that's dark skinned, who told you you can't wear no color? Because I'm going platinum blonde after this, okay? But thank you guys. Until next time. Bye.